Yo, first order came in right away. Sherry's $7.75 going like 3 miles. Hopefully it's ready. Get this day started off right. Well, I just pulled up and I'm the only one in the parking lot, so. Total ended up being $9.75, and I wish all orders were that easy. Took me all of less than 15 minutes. All right, so the next order just came in. It's another Sherry's, $7.75 going like 4.5 miles.
So you pick it up? Okay.
Thank you. Next up, we've got a Starbucks, $8 going about 4 miles.
Yep, right there.
Thank you. Just got my next order. It's for another Starbucks, $8 for about pretty much the same mileage actually. Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Dropping off for Reed.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
You as well.
Thank you.
Head to your pickup at Starbucks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next order popped up. It's a Chick-fil-A, $8.50 going like 3 miles. Well, that was a pain to drop off. They had a really long driveway, nowhere to turn around, and they were parked diagonally in front of their garage, so I couldn't even park there. But as I was backing out, I got my next order. It's shop and deliver, $15.50 going about 6 miles. So it's 7 items. We'll see how long this takes, man. Don't be a lazy bones, kids. Put your carts back. And just scribble on that red line for me. Good enough for me. All right, let me go grab it.
For you.
Oh, appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Yep. Thank you so much.
Sure. I've got the 7-Up as well.
Awesome. Thank you.
There you are.
Thanks so much.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. I'll try. Well, the total ended up being $16.50. I think there was a hidden tip on that. And the lady just gave me... Just got my next order. It is for Angels, $7.25 going 5.5 miles. Not the greatest, but I've been sitting here for a little bit, so I'm just gonna take it.
Oh, thank you, sure.
Three items.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next order up is shop and deliver for some alcohol, $9.50 for about 5 miles, only 1 item.
I can take you down here, man. Yeah. Okay. DoorDash?
Yes.
You got it. Card was declined. Yeah, declined again.
I really don't understand why my red card just gets declined sometimes. And then just scribble on that line for me.
pretty much what it is.
Pretty much. Good enough for me. Anyways, time is 10:45. Current total is 84 plus 20, 104. Just as I finished recording that, DoorDash crashed. Pretty sure the app is down right now. Oh, 5 minutes later, looks like we're back online. All right, next orders are IHOP and 7-Eleven. $9.50 going about 3 miles total.
Right here. I need you to sign that for me, please.
I had a feeling that IHOP order wasn't going to be ready on time. Next up is 7-Eleven for some drinks. Thank you. It's always upstairs. Next order up is a McDonald's. $8 and some change, going about 3 miles. I think all my Uber trips today have been like $8.50 on average. Yeah.
Can I see that really quick? Here you go. And this bag too. Thank you.
Head to your drop-off at high school.
Oh, you gotta be. It's probably gonna be my last order for the day. Delivering to schools is always a pain in the.
Drop-off.
Yeah.
There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good one. All right, that wasn't too bad. We can keep going. Never mind then. DoorDash just went down again. So I am gonna call it for the day. Current time is just about 11:40. Current total is about 115. Plus a couple of Uber tips yet to come in. Should put me about 130 maybe. Pretty good day. Anyways, that's gonna be it for me. Thank you for watching, and yeah. Bye.